Hello everyone, welcome back to our channels. So if you're seeing welcome to Instagram screen every time you open Instagram and you're unable to access your account properly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you several methods to fix this issue quickly. So let's get started. First, you need to refresh your Instagram. Refresh the Instagram page or close the app completely, or if you're using the website, also reload it. As a simple restart fixes this issue. You can also try logging out of your account and log back in. Sign back to your account and check if the problem is gone. If you're using PC, you can clear the browser cache as well. Click on the three dots in the top right corner and then go to Settings. Now select Privacy and Security and select Delete Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Files and also select your desired time range and select Delete Data. Once done, you need to go ahead and restart your browser and sign back into your Instagram account. You can also go to your extensions, click on Manage Extensions, and then temporarily disable ad blockers, VPN extensions, or privacy extensions as well. If that does not work, you can try incognito mode or another browser. To activate the incognito mode, click on the three dots in the top right and select New Incognito Window. Here, go to Instagram.com, log into your account, and see if that problem fixes the issue. If the Instagram is not working in your Chrome browser, you can also go for Microsoft Edge or Firefox. And using an outdated browser can also sometimes cause loading issue. So click on the three dots, go to Settings, click on About Chrome, and here let the Chrome check for updates. And if there are any update available, go ahead and install it right here. And also check your internet connection, as a slow, unstable internet connection may prevent Instagram from loading correctly. And restart your router or switch to a different network if possible. Then reload Instagram and wait for Instagram servers. If none of the methods work, the problem may be on the Instagram side, so you can wait for a few hours and try again. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.